It's like a barrel thing. And I have other guns like the hailfire, the retaliator, and the rampage. All the tilt. But I'm having a because I'm having a like what barrels are so like this for the how to do it. For the 6 barrel, you get 6 bullets out of this gun, and then you have to reload. Or you could, or the normal one, what comes in the package, the 12 bullets. So you have to shoot 12 bullets to have to reload. Like, but what I bought today was, what I had today from the mail was an 18 barrel gun. So basically the 18 barrel gun, similar to the 12 bullets, but it's much bigger, and it's the size of 12 bullets and another 6. So it's like this. Big clip. Okay, for this one I'm gonna do check first. When it shoots out, off. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh damn! Sorry. Nerf can get blocked. Some can get. So 3, 2, 1. So where did it shoot? I lost it. Oh, use. You can't see it. Okay. Let me do it. So, you're gonna go shoot me all in there. That was like quite a bit big. So, bye guys.